There are specific, actionable steps that can turn fleeting moments of calm into a lasting state of inner peace through the power of wisdom. You'll learn precise techniques to harness wisdom and make it a practical part of your daily life, fostering a deep and enduring sense of serenity. Wisdom isn't about having all the answers, it's about how you approach life's questions. Here's a practical approach to integrating wisdom into your life. Set aside 10 minutes each day for reflection. Consider a recent challenge you faced and analyze how your responses shaped the outcome. Ask yourself what you learned from this experience. This practice builds self-awareness and helps you apply insights to future situations. Engage in conversations with people who have different viewpoints and life experiences. For example, if you're facing a career dilemma, talk to mentors from various fields. This exposure broadens your understanding and enhances your decision-making process. Keep a journal dedicated to wisdom and insights. Each entry should focus on a lesson learned, whether from a personal experience or from someone else's advice. Regularly review these entries to reinforce and internalize your newfound wisdom. Mindfulness can be transformative when practiced with specific techniques. 1. Allocate 5 minutes every morning to mindful breathing. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus solely on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. This practice calms your nervous system and centers your mind. 2. Spend 10 minutes each evening doing a body scan meditation. Lie down in a quiet space and mentally scan your body from head to toe, paying attention to any areas of tension or discomfort. As you do this, breathe into those areas, encouraging relaxation and release. 3. Practice eating one meal each day mindfully. Focus on the texture, taste, and aroma of your food. Chew slowly and savor each bite. This not only enhances your eating experience, but also anchors you in the present moment. Compassion is a cornerstone of wisdom and inner peace. Here's how you can cultivate it. 1. Begin by writing a letter to yourself during a challenging time, offering the same kindness and encouragement you would give to a friend. Read this letter when you need comfort. This practice helps you build a more compassionate relationship with yourself. 2. Perform one small, intentional act of kindness each day. It could be as simple as complimenting a colleague or helping a neighbor. These actions foster a sense of connection and positivity, enhancing your inner peace. 3. When interacting with others, make a conscious effort to understand their feelings and perspectives. For instance, if a friend is upset, listen actively without offering immediate solutions. Show empathy through your presence and understanding. The journey to inner peace is ongoing. Embrace it with patience and commitment. Track your progress by setting monthly goals related to mindfulness, wisdom, and compassion. For instance, aim to master a new mindfulness technique or deepen your self-compassion practice each month. Thank you for joining us on The Serenity Shift. By implementing these specific strategies, reflecting on experiences, embracing diverse perspectives, practicing targeted mindfulness techniques, and cultivating genuine compassion, you can transform fleeting moments of calm into a sustained, profound inner peace. Remember, this is a journey of continuous growth. Stay committed and let wisdom guide you to a serene and balanced life.